Tutorial on the use of LENVII LV-1200 Thermal Label Printer. When you buy a LENVII LV-1200 Thermal Label Printer, how to print out the labels you want. Step 1. Unboxing. After you have purchased a LENVII LV-1200 Thermal Label Printer, you will get a label holder, a USB disk, a printer, a power adapter, a power cord, and a USB cable. Step 2. Install the paper. Turn on the blue card switch on both sides of the printer. Open the printer cover. Placing thermal labels on the label holder. Insert the label paper from the input slot. Adjusting the label stock slot. Close the printer. Step 3. Connect the printer to the computer. Plug in the power cord and USB link. Power on. The printer automatically corrects the paper. Step 4. Install the printer driver. Insert the USB disk into the computer. Open the USB disk. Open the folder named Windows Driver. Click to install the driver. Select Setup Language. Click Install. Click OK. Click Finish. Click on the Start menu. Find Devices and Printers and click. Select the LV-1200 printer and right-click. Click Printer Properties. Click Ports. Check if the USB port is connected correctly. Click General. Click Print Test Page. The printer will print out the test paper. When you need to print a label, click Print. Select LV-1200 printer. Click More Settings. Choose the page size you want. Click Print. The printer will print the label. How to design the label you want. Open the label editing software in the USB disk. Select Setup Language. Click Express Setup. Click Complete. Open the installed label editing software. Click New. Set your desired label size. Click Confirm. Now you can start editing the label you want. After editing the label, click Print. Select the LV-1200 printer. Choose the number of copies you want. Click Print. The printer will print your edited label. How do you set it up? When you want to print on continuous label paper, change the spacer paper to continuous paper first. Click on the Start menu. Find Devices and Printers and click. Right-click on the LV-1200 printer. Click Printer Properties. Click Advanced. Click Printing Defaults. Click Advanced Settings. Click Media Settings. Select Continuous Paper. Click OK. Click General. Click Preferences. Click Advanced Settings. Click Media Settings. Select Continuous Paper. Click OK. Click Print Test Page. The printer will print out a continuous paper label. Similarly, you can also use label editing software to edit the labels you want. Click Print. Choose the number of copies you want. Click Print. The printer prints a continuous paper label. If you have any questions during the installation of the printer, please contact us. Thanks for watching.